Alright, so to start this video, you're going to have needed to tear out page 205, I believe. It's going to look like this. I'll kind of show you off to the side. Let me lift this up for you. It's all of these clocks that you're supposed to cut up. I want you to have them all cut up and ready to go. So go ahead and push pause on the video if you haven't gotten them cut up, and then come back to the video. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and hold those off to the side, and I'm going to put my paper back here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show a time. I'm going to reveal them one at a time because I have them written down on the paper behind here. And you're going to try to find the clock that matches that time. So I'll give you a little bit of time, ha ha ha, each time that I move down, and see if you can find it quickly, okay? And when you find the match, you can just put it in a pile. All right, so let's see. Can you find the clock that would match 3 o'clock? Go ahead and find it. Good. All right, so you should have picked the clock that looked like this. 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Notice that the shorthand is pointing to the 3. Okay? All right, go ahead and put that in your done pile. All right, next one. Can you find for me 6 o'clock? 6 o'clock. Good. You should have found the clock that looks like this. The minute hand is pointing to the 6, and we have our hand is pointing to the 6, and the minute hand is up at o'clock. Good. Put that in your done pile. Okay, can you find 12 o'clock? 12 o'clock. Good. Should have found the clock that looks like this. Both hands are pointing towards the 12. The hour is pointing at the 12, and the minute hand is pointing at the minutes at o'clock. All right. Next one. Can you find 8 o'clock? 8 o'clock. Good. You should have this one right here with the red hand pointing to the 8. All right, let's try another one. How about 7 o'clock? 7 o'clock. Good. You should have found the one that has the red hand pointing to the 7. All right, let's look at another one. How about 11 o'clock? Can you find 11 o'clock? And I think I might be missing one. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. Sorry it took so long. Ay, ay, ay. They were sticking together. They were just, one was hiding the other. There we go, 11 o'clock. I apologize about that. Okay, let's go ahead and move this one over. All right, how about 1 o'clock? Can you find one that says 1 o'clock? Good. Should be this clock right here. All right, how about 5 o'clock? As you're narrowing down the piles, you'll notice you have less choices, so it becomes easier to find them. All right, you have 5 o'clock right here, the red hand pointing to the 5. Okay, how about 9 o'clock? This is the clock you should be holding with the 9. Good. How about 2 o'clock? Good. This one, pointing to the 2. All right, 4 o'clock. Here we go, is 4 o'clock. And our last one should be 10 o'clock. Good. 10 o'clock. Good. All right, so you're going to also now move on to page 207. I'm going to be doing one side of this with you, and you'll be doing the other side on your own, okay? So I'm going to be doing this left side. You're going to be doing the right side on your own after the video. All right, so this first part, it wants us to write the time that would go with it, okay? So I can see the red hand is the hour, and it's pointing to the 5, and it's o'clock. So we're going to do 00 for the minutes. Here I can see that the red hand is pointing to the 11, so it's in the 11 o'clock hour, and it is o'clock. Okay. All right, down here now it wants us to draw the hour hand on it to match the digital time here. So here it says 6 o'clock. The o'clock is already there, so I need to find the 6. Remember, this is the shorthand, so it goes almost there, but not quite, and point to it. Okay. How about here, 8 o'clock? So the 8 is the hour. Here's the 8 here, so I'm going to draw it short. Here we go. And the last one for us together, for number 4, we got 4 o'clock. So I'm going to find the 4 here. I'm going to draw a short line and my arrow. Okay. All right, you're going to be doing the other side on your own, and then when you flip it over, you're going to draw, you're going to fill in the numbers on the clock. I'm going to give you a hint. Remember, this top one is 12, okay, and the next one's 1. So go ahead and fill in the numbers on the clock. You're going to draw your own hands on the clock and then write what the digital time would be on the bottom to match. So you can make your clock say 1 o'clock, you can make your clock say 2 o'clock, you can make it say 3 o'clock. You can also use these as a guide to help you. You can maybe pick one of them and help copy it onto here. Okay? All right, good luck.